Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. I hope you had a great weekend. It's shout out Monday. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
Alrighty, let's go ahead and draw this week's channel shout out. Let's see, someone pops out, and someone did. We have, if I can open it. Oh, cool. We got the Common Sense Camper. I have not seen a video from you in a long time, Jeff. I hope you're okay. I should probably send you an email, see if you're alright. Good dude. He hasn't been around much. I don't know. I hope he's okay, but let's, yeah. I'll put all the links in the description. And he doesn't have a sticker, unfortunately, so he's not on my board. If you'd like to be on my sticker board, send me an email. And I'll get you my address, or I'll get your address and I'll send you one. Or you can send me yours.
Well, alrighty, there we go. This channel link will be down in the description, as always, and there'll be end cards somewhere on screen, as always. And let's not forget, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there. All the way from our very appreciated recruits to our very, very appreciated veterans. Let's not forget either 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives. We should get it down to 0. 22 a day, no more. So as always, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.